Nestled amidst the serene landscapes, this one-of-a-kind container home offers you a truly unforgettable escape with a Scandinavian style and the comforts of modern living. This two-bedroom, one-bathroom container house was built using two 40-foot recycled shipping containers by Elite Container Homes in Kansas, United States. Elevated above ground on a concrete foundation, shipping containers are placed side by side and stitched together to create 640 square feet of habitable space. The containers are modified to create window openings and remove internal walls to create an open plan layout. A lean-to roof is placed on the containers to create a modern house. Entering through the front door, you are greeted by a delightfully spacious open living area. Off the entrance is a spacious kitchen. The inspired bespoke kitchen space has sleek kitchen appliances, countertops showcasing sophistication, ample storage cabinets, and a well-finished kitchen backsplash. In addition, the kitchen has a generous kitchen island that offers a comfortable space for four to eat, work, or chat with family. From the kitchen, the sliding glass doors lead to the backyard. Next to the kitchen is a cozy lounge area defined with a floor rug and fitted with a comfy sofa bed plus an easy chair. The large glass doors from the living area lead onto the deck as an outdoor oasis. Off the kitchen area is a full bathroom. The bathroom features a bathtub shower cubicle, a toilet, and a vanity area, plus a window that lights up the bathroom space. Past the bathroom is the first bedroom, fitted with a comfortable double bed. It is well lit by a sizable glass window that offers fantastic property views. The second bedroom adjoins the first bedroom. It has a cozy double bed and a glass window for natural lighting. The interior of the house is light painted with selected furniture pieces, creating an amazing indoor space, eliminating that cramped notion of living inside a shipping container box. It is evident from outside that this house is made from shipping containers. The exposed corrugated container walls across the exterior enhances the home's industrial architecture. To balance out the small amount of inside living space, the house has got a generous outdoor living area for entertaining and outdoor living. This amazing house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.